How to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I am up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to know if someone has blocked you. There are certain indications that may suggest you that someone has blocked you. To find out that, first you have to open your Instagram application on your device. Now to know if the person has blocked you or not, tap on this magnifying icon, search for the person's name. And when you click on it, if the profile does not appear, it could mean that they have either blocked you or deactivate their account. Next option is, if you have mutual friends with the person, you can ask them to check if they can still see the person's post. If your mutual friends can see the account but you can't, then it may suggest you have been blocked. Another is, if you had previous conversation with this person, go and check your direct message. Clicking on this messenger icon, click on that person's profile. If the messages are still there but you can't see their profile or recently active, then it could indicate a block. I couldn't see the profile of this person, that means this person has blocked me. Also, you can see that the name of the person has changed into Instagram user. So in this way, you can find out that someone has blocked you on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you on next video. Stay connected.